VIP and fancy cat show.
So sleek and beautiful. Love it.
When last you tell me that?
You jealous over the TV? Eh?
Should I burn your clothes?
Mwah. Boy, Johnny, you're sweet, you know. After beautiful. Boy, your husband must love you.
Him?
Yeah.
Him only love football. And ever since him get the new TV, him only love she.
I mean, I tell him you were tight, you see.
You know where I'm I know, relax. Don't worry, just relax.
This my friend, I know. I bedroom this supposed to come inside here and catch me.
Relax, my dear Joe.
It's traffic, man. Traffic. The match start already. Arsenal.
My husband not pass the TV. Football on, you safe.
What that? What that? Get over the ball, lad. What is... Oh God, never. Oh no, I'm gonna soldier. My God.
Yeah.
I'm dead now. Oh, you got pass. Oh, you got pass.
Relax.
Pass the ball.
I have this. Hi, honey.
I'm for pass the ball right.
Jim!
Jeanette! What? Yes! General! Yes! Yes! General! Yes! Referee! What that?
Games to go.
I can't believe this.
Alright, here's what you're going to do. You're going to walk right past the TV and out the front door.
Huh?
Right past the TV and out the front door. Just go sure. Yeah, man.
And this man really come on, fam. Janet! Janet! I tell you, this HD TV is so real. I say, the man just get the red card a while ago. And it's like him just run past me. This man, love it.
Me love it too. Go Arsenal.
Games on the way, you can see them going through the screen at the moment.
VIP and fancy cat show.